Kryso Resources PLC is a mineral exploration and development company that listed on the Alternative Investment Market, AIM, of the London Stock Exchange in 2004. Kryso is focusing on gold projects in Tajikistan in general and Pakrut in particular, of which it has 100% ownership among other copper and nickel projects. Kryso was granted an exploration and trial license over the Pakrut license area, covering 63 kilometers square in April 2004. Total JORC code compliant measured, indicated and inferred resources for its Pakrut gold project is now 5,020,000 ounces, 150 tons of gold. In July 2010, an investment agreement was signed in London between China Non-Ferrous Metals International Mining Company Limited, CNMIM, and Kryso Resources PLC. According to this agreement, CNMIM acquired 29.9% of Kryso Resources PLC shares through an equity investment. Since exercising warrants in September 2012, CNMIM is currently Kryso Resources' largest shareholder with a shareholding of 40.3% and is committed to the development of the Pakrut gold mine through feasibility exploration and operation. The construction of Pakrut gold mine commenced in September 2012 and is expected to be finished within 18 months.
Its design specifies that the plant will have a capacity of 2,000 tons per day, with crushing, grinding, gravity, flotation, leaching, and smelting circuits, which will be further increased by 2,000 tons per day 2 years later, reaching a total rate of 4,000 tons per day.
When reaching full capacity of production, the mine will produce an average of 3 tons, 100,000 ounces of gold per year with a 17-year life of mine. A decline and auxiliary shaft will be used for mining process. The main development works include main ramp decline, auxiliary shaft, east and west ventilation shafts, haulage ways at various sublevels with tailing cemented filling techniques used for the mining. After the ores have been stocked, they will be transported by truck to surface via the main ramp decline and then put into the primary ore bin or kept in the ore yard. Envisaged that 3 recovery processes will be used in the plant: gravity recovery, flotation recovery, and cyanide leaching of both gravity and flotation concentrates. Doré bars containing both gold and silver will be produced on site at Pakrut and transported to smelter for refining. Ores from the primary ore bin are fed into the crusher and then transferred into the second crushing mill via a belt conveyor for further crushing using the cone crusher process. Once this process is completed, the ore is moved to the sieving plant where it will be sieved by a circular vibrating screen before being transferred to the fine ore bin. The fine ore is sent to the ball mill via a belt conveyor and then to the Nelson gravity concentrator. The concentrate will be further concentrated by a shaker and then sent to the melt shop. Tailings from the Nelson gravity concentrator will be sent to the cyclone and then grinded for the second time before flotation. As to flotation, there will be 1 rough flotation and 1 fine flotation and 3 scavenging processes. Concentrations from flotation will be mixed with ore from the ore shaker for further grinding. The gold concentrate will be sent to the thickener and, after settlement and thickening, to the filter processing machine for dewatering and stored in the gold concentrate storage facility. The concentrate will then be trucked to the cyanidation plant. In order to enhance the recovery rate, 2 leaching processes and 2 washing processes will be used. The pulp from the first leaching process will be sent to a 3-tier thickener for washing and then to the second leaching process. Fluid from second leaching process will be sent to the second 3-tier thickener for second washing. Pregnant solution, after going through filter and deoxidizing towers, will flow to the frame filter for zinc replacement. The gold mud will be sent to the metallurgy room for acid and alkaline washing for dezincification, decoppering, and de-leading. It will then be dissolved in a strong acid solution for gold-silver separation. The final step is refining, where gold doré bars are finally produced. Tailings from the flotation process will be discharged into the tailings pond by means of dry piling. Kryso Resources plc is a highly competitive London-based company that has highly talented people and is always striving to provide its employees with the best working environment. New offices and dormitories are built by the Pakrut Limited Liability Company, a subsidiary of Kryso Resources plc, operating in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. The employees are now enjoying permanent housing services of 2,300-meter OSL site. Gone are the days when they live in container houses for geological drilling operations. Kryso is committed to its future development in a fierce competitive environment, while taking up its social responsibilities in Tajikistan where appropriate. With aggressive and ever-progressing minds, Kryso is seeing an even bigger opportunity in the global mining industry.